Good day kadrone, so still Drone PH. So we have here another build, the SpeeDB Mario 5 DC advanced version. So we will build this and I will show you all the component guys with this FPV build. So let's go and start the build. Okay, so this is the frame that I will use, the SpeeDB 5 DC advanced version. This is my first build 5-inch. So I'm choosing this frame because I like the design. Okay. About the stock, I'm using the SpeeDB also. The F405, the 55 amperes. Okay, this is the version 4. So we will build this with the 6S battery. So this is the analog build for now. So we will use also the VTX guys, the TX800 from SpeeDB. Then we will use the Axis Flying guys, the 2207 motors. So it's sold before at the AliExpress. That's why I purchased it about 39 euros only. This is good for 6S. So this is the 1960 KB. About the camera, I'm using the Cadex Rattle 2. So I like this because I'm using this for all my quad. So I'm using the gem fan. Okay, this is the 5-inch propeller. So this is the pink and yellow green. Receiver is the Super D from Beta FPV. Okay, so this is the Super D, the dual diversity. So we have here the lollipop antenna also. Okay, so let's start the build. So let's go. Okay, so that's all the component with this build. So we will install all this. But first thing that we install is about the motor. Okay, so let's start the build.
Okay, so we will fast forward to install all motors because a lot of time consume. It's done installing all motors, now let's go installing the ESC.
Okay, so it's done to solder the battery connector. So we will cut this, okay, next time maybe. So let's proceed now guys to solder those motors on the ESC. So we will install this. Let's go. Okay, so next thing that we install is about the flight controller. Okay, so we install already. So we will proceed now to solder those BTX camera and receiver, okay, and the last DB GPS. Okay, so it's done to install the BTX, and now we will solder those four wires, okay, including the RX receiver. Pretty easy to connect, guys, those wires. Just follow the diagram that I will include on the screen. So on the camera, guys, just connect the ground, 5 volts, and the yellow one is for the cam. Okay. Okay, so the red is for 5 volts. Okay, so it's nice. The black wires is for the ground. And the number 3 wires is the yellow one. So we will put at the cam. Okay, so it's done to install the camera. So next thing that we install is the RX receiver, the Super D from Beta FPV. So we have 4 wires, the RX, TX, 5 volts, and ground. So the RX going to TX, I will put on the screen. The TX going to RX, then ground, and 5 volts. Okay, so the green wires is go to T1. Okay, so the yellow wires is go to BTX. Black is for the ground, and the red one is for 5 volts. Okay, so that's the installation about the BTX. So it's already done. And install our GPS also. I did not show because a lot of time consume, okay? Okay, so that's it. So we will test, guys, with the battery. But before that, you may need the smoke stopper, okay, to prevent fry with your stock. Okay, so you can purchase at the AliExpress also. So this is very important. So let's get it on. Okay, so it's solid green. It means it's all goods. So let's go. So it's all goods, guys. All have light. So we will go to the beta flight for the settings, okay? And we will fly outside later. Okay, so all set up and it's ready to go. So I already installed my DJI Action 2 and including the propeller. So it's pretty nice about my build. So by the way, I used the 4S 850, okay, temporary. I ordered another battery, D6S, okay. So let's go outside, guys, and test this Mario 5. Let's go. Okay, so we are here at the backyard, okay. So we will try here because not too much people, okay. So let's go and test, guys. So it's pretty stable, guys, about our test. So I'm flying only the angle for now because I'm still adjusting the feed tuning, okay. Okay, so that's only the quick test, guys, with our new build, the Mario 5. So next time we will fly with the DJI Action 2. Okay, so that's only. See you and till next time. Bye bye.